Hello friends, you're watching Knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can enable or disable Google Assistant in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30A. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So to enable or disable Google Assistant settings in Realme Narzo 30 or Narzo 30A, simply first of all you just need to go to Google and then go to account setting and then follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.